It's look, maybe it's not interesting, but and it's I don't look for excuses or anything, but it's really hard to accept it week by week by week by week. It's really hard. In one of the biggest games, what everybody told me against Man United, it was 2-3 yards offside, and nobody really speaks about it. You just have to say after the game, I think, okay, do I have to speak about it? It's my job to get a fine afterwards because I said it. But today, for the handball was for me obvious, 100% obvious. And if it's not obvious, then it's the next situation. But nobody comes then and says sorry, didn't see it or whatever.